Hello everyone. Start off by taking a section off the top of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, and then roll the hair in on itself. Make 3 sections and then pull them each through the hair. That is, pull them through the section at the top, make a braid out of the rest of the hair, and then roll it upwards. Start off by gathering all the hair together in a ponytail, then add a rubber band to the middle. Roll this upwards and make a bun out of it. Add some clips in place. With the rest of the hair, make a braid and then include sections from it as you progress. Roll the ends upwards, add a decorative clip. Next, start off by taking a small section of the hair off the top and then add a rubber band in the middle. Next, take a section from one of the sides and then pull it through the division that you've created. Do the same on the other side as well and then join them in order to make more divisions. Braid both the sides, make a bow in the center. Take a section off the top of the hair, add a rubber band to it and make 2 braids out of it. Now, keep pulling in sections from either side of the hair into each of the sections of the braid. Make a braid out of all of the sections that are now formed in the center, join them all together. Make 2 more braids on the side. Start off by making a braid at the top that includes multiple sections of the hair from the front. Now, taking and making the sections that it has created, make a braid out of it by interchanging each of the sections. Roll it upwards. Take 2 sections from either side of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, and then roll it in on itself. Take a section from the left side and then put it through the right section. Braid the rest of the hair and then roll up the braid. Pin it up in place. Take 1 section of the hair from either side of the scalp, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Make 2 braids on either side and now pull it through the first section that you've created. Join it in the center, lift it up and tie it up. Divide the central section into 2 parts and then join it together with another section. Start off by taking a section off the top, tie a rubber band to it, now make a bun out of it in a bow shape. Take a section from the side and then pull it through the center. Do this on the other side as well. Take 2 more sections from either side, join it. Thank you for watching.